Welcome back to Bike Mentor. Is your go-to channel for all things tech. In today's video, we will tackle a frustrating situation faced by many Facebook page admins. We are going to show you how to publish a Facebook page that has been unpublished by Facebook support team. So if you open up a page that has been unpublished by Facebook due to violating their community standard according to their support team, you will see a message like this. Moreover, you can click on the see details. Now follow the process, which I am going to show you. Click on the account icon, then settings and privacy, then select settings. Click on new page experience and select page quality. And here you can also read about the restriction. It says your page is restricted because it didn't follow community standards. We know we are not always right. If you think we got it wrong, you can disagree with our decision and in some cases get the restriction removed. So if you click here, click on continue. You can disagree with the decision. In this case, we have requested a review to this decision. Facebook team will review this case and we might be able to get back our Facebook page. Now you can see that page is in review and someone from Facebook team will be taking another look at this page. If it is really against the community standards and if they agree with us, we will get back our Facebook page. That's it for today. Subscribe to Bike Mentor and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech tutorials and insights.